will combat that for them. Coach Mike said during the halftime huddle, we're actually playing a pretty beautiful game, but now we just need to make sure to get everybody involved.
Coming into this game and also what they talked about at the half. While for Ilagan Isabela, I got a glimpse of the conversation ongoing.
I think he was alluding to the early part of the game where they really couldn't get anything going because right around the middle of the first quarter, see another good basket right there, assisted para kay Capasio.
Magkakasama sa loob para sa kamilang kupunan.
Somehow ramdam. Oh wow!
Major breakdown on defense.
I think that was JP Belencion and eventually leaving up that space underneath.
Rapaini sa ilalim. Halos tumingkayad lang siya nun eh. Close game, we have 53-50. The Cowboys enjoying this 3-point lead. Let's see what they execute off that timeout. Up and under move, a thing of beauty. And the shooting that he brings at that spot. Dahil nga, ang dami na rin malalaking teams. Abra,